Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Before we continue the material, you must to know that this video is saurungnya dewe lanjut, sampean harus reti. Lah iki video halal.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everybody, how are you? I hope we will healthy and I hope always in protection of Allah Subhanahu wa taala. Okay, let me introduce myself. My name is Adelia Oktaviantika, NPM 1811010013. Here, me and my friends will explain about the descriptive text. The first material is definition of descriptive text. Okay, what do you think about descriptive text? Descriptive text comes from two, namely, is descriptive and text. Descriptive is feature and text is writing. So, descriptive text is writing or read that describes something. And it can be concluded that descriptive text is type of text describe a person, animals, or place, so that the reader and imagines as if which was told is real. Oke, descriptive text ini berasal dari dua kata, yaitu deskriptif dan teks. Deskriptif yaitu gambaran dan teks adalah tulisan. Jadi deskriptif teks ini yaitu suatu tulisan yang menggambarkan tentang sesuatu. Nah, biasanya deskriptif teks ini menggambarkan tentang seseorang, hewan maupun tempat yang seakan-akan membawa pembacanya itu benar-benar berada dalam tulisan tersebut. Okay, thank you. That is the explanation about definition of descriptive text. Okay, next.
Okay, and then material 2, jenis struktur of deskripsi text. Jenis struktur of deskripsi text consists to identification and description. Jadi bagian umum dari teks deskripsi itu ada dua, terdiri dari dua. Yang pertama ada identifikasi dan yang kedua ada deskripsi. Okay, the next, first, identification phenomena of the to be deskripsi. Jadi menjelaskan fenomena. Bagian yang identifikasi itu menjelaskan suatu fenomena, gambaran umumnya dijelaskan. The next, deskripsi part, deskripsi of karakter, and deskripsi of quality. Jadi deskripsi itu menjelaskan bagiannya, karakternya, dan kualitasnya, dan lain-lainnya on other. Okay. That is the explanation of the general structure of descriptive text. The next.
Hello everyone, in this video I would like to present about linguistic descriptive text. But before I start my present, let me introduce myself. My name is Alfi Azari and number student 1811010202. Okay, let's start. Linguistic descriptive text often used be and have tense which is often used in simple present tense. However, sometimes is used past tense. if the things to be described doesn't not exist anymore. Nah, maksudnya apa sih fitur bahasa? Fitur bahasa descriptive text ini sering menggunakan be dan have. Kemudian tenses yang digunakan adalah simple present tense, namun beberapa kali juga menggunakan simple past tense. Digunakan simple past tense ini jika benda yang akan dijelaskan tidak ada lagi atau tidak ada lagi wujudnya, seperti itu ya. Okay, that's all the presentation for me. I can hope you understand. Thank you and see you.
And then material for about example 1 of descriptive text. 1. Safari Park. Safari Park or Taman Safari is a quite unique zoo. It lies 19 kilometers from Jakarta. It lies in Cisarua, Bogor, about 2 kilometers from Puncak. This zoo reminds use of the similar park in Kenya, Africa. Although it is not as large as one in Kenya, we can still enjoy the park, which is 100 hectares. In conventional zoo, the animals are in charge, but not in safari park. They wander freely. Visitors are in buses or cars. They not get off the buses or cars, and then who visitors have not buses or cars can use the touring buses or cars at the park.
And then example to descriptive text and a title, Barong Dance. Barong Dance drama is one of the most popular dance in Bali. The dance enacts a battle between good and evil. The dancer appeal to the spirit world during performance. The Barong Dance drama is believed to exorcise evil spirit from the village. The Barong Dance drama depicts a struggle between the Rangda and Barong, a mythical and benevolent beast.
And then six material about difference between descriptive and report text. These are the difference between descriptive and report text. Descriptive text to describe things in specific or detail. Jadi descriptive text ini untuk menggambarkan sesuatu secara spesifik atau detail. Generic structure, number 1 identification, number 2 description in parts or its characteristic, and using action verb or active voice. Report text to describe things in general, untuk menggambarkan hal secara umum. Generic structure, identification, general classification, and description part per part in general, and introducing group or general aspect. Example of descriptive text by title My Parents. I have a parrot named Bima. Bima is a parrot that is very active and agile. My parrot has a very dark black color and yellow back. At the back of the head there are parts such as yellow gums. Example text reports by title Birds. Bird is vertebrate animal that have feathers and wings. Birds are the only vertebrate animals which can fly. Birds have thousands of species that spread across the world starting from the smallest bird such as hummingbird and the large bird such as the ostrich. Jadi intinya di sini terdapat contoh descriptive text dan report text. Descriptive text menggambarkan berjudul a parrot atau burung beoku. Burung beoku itu menjelaskan burung secara spesifik karena dia langsung kepada jenis burungnya. Kemudian report text tentang birds itu menggambarkan hal secara bird itu umumnya, menggambarkan hal secara umumnya karena burung saja, tidak langsung ke jenis burung itu. Jadi yang membedakan antara descriptive text dengan report text, meskipun sama-sama mirip sama jenis generic strukturnya, tapi descriptive text ini menjelaskan secara khusus atau secara spesifik, sedangkan report text menjelaskan secara umum. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.